If you're thinking about getting a college degree, you're just wondering, is the degree the thing that's going to take my career to the next level? Is the degree going to solve my career problems? I hear people online all over the place saying, you don't need a college degree, you don't need a college degree, you don't need a college degree. Guess what? It's just a bunch of nonsense. I want to take you over to my computer screen and show you some data. Let's look at some numbers here. This is average weekly earnings by college education level. So from less than high school all the way to a doctorate degree, how much money per week do they make on average? And this here is accurate data. It's from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, okay? It's like coming from people's taxes and things like that. As you can see here, the higher in education you go, the more money you make. The higher in education you go, the less likely you are to be unemployed. As you can see here, high school diploma only. Last year, 4% unemployment rate. Well, with a bachelor's degree, it's like 2%. Your unemployment rate cuts in half with a bachelor's degree. Let's do some quick math here and see how much money you're going to make. High school diploma is $853 a week. A bachelor's degree is $1,432. So we're going to go $1,432 minus $853. That is a $579 per week pay raise with a bachelor's degree. And this is just average. Now multiply that by 52 years and look at that. It's a $30,000 per year pay raise on average if you have a bachelor's degree over a high school diploma. Now let's divide that by 12 to look at your monthly. That's a $2,500 per month pay raise. Here's the thing. People online are screaming, you don't need a college degree, you don't need a college degree, you don't need a college degree. The truth is, that is true. You don't have to have a college degree to succeed. There are millionaires and billionaires without college degrees. But here's another truth that people aren't including when they say that. Those people who succeed without college degrees, that's like 1% of the people. When people are saying you don't need a college degree, you can become rich, you can be a millionaire, you can be a billionaire without a college degree, that's true. But the chances of that happening are very, very slim. The data shows that college degrees lead to pay raises, lead to better jobs, and lead to basically a lower unemployment rate, and you're steadier and more secure in your job. So the easiest way to get to a better position in your career is to get a college degree. Now, I know a degree normally takes 4 years. It normally costs $60,000 to $100,000. Well, in today's age, that's not true anymore either. You can actually hack college, test out of all your classes, get a college degree in as little as like 3 to 6 months. I did it in 9 months with a full-time job and a wife and kids to take care of. What I'll do is I'll leave a link to a degree hacking tutorial in the video description, and I'll walk through 3 steps that you need to take to earn a college degree in less than a year. Don't listen to all the people preaching, don't go to college. A college degree is a good thing that makes your life better. If you don't have your millionaire opportunity available to you right now, don't pray and hope that it's going to fall in your lap down the road. Go get your degree. It makes a difference in your career. Like, take your career into your own hands and do the things you need to do to make that career better. So yeah, I hope just a little bit of data, I hope this helps you make a decision whether you want a college degree or not. And if you want to do it faster, check that link in the description. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.